Welcome to HDFC Securities 5-minute market wrap-up for the week ended 20th September. US Fed rate cut of 50 basis points helped a risk-on rally in global equity markets. Nifty closed at a new lifetime high, up 1.7% for the week. The BSE mid-cap and small-cap indices witnessed profit booking to end the week marginally lower. Bank Nifty helped rose 3.6% this week and was a key contributor to the Nifty rally. Among sectoral gainers, Nifty Realty was up 4.5% along with BSE Private Banks Index, which was up 3.8%. BSE Telecom among top losers was down 3.1%, while the IT index was lower by 2.7%. Among weekly Nifty 50 gainers, M&M shares were up a further 7.7% this week. Shares of ICICI Bank were up 7% and Nestle India shares gained 6.6%. Among Nifty 50 top losers, TCS shares declined 5.3% during the week. Shares of Grasim Industries fell 3.8% while BPCL shares were lower by 3.2%. In select market movers, BSE stocks soared about 40%, hitting this week driven by higher trading volumes on the exchange. Shares of Adani Green Energy rallied 12% after Investec initiates by rating on Adani Green, expects stock to rally 30%. Among losers, Vodafone Idea shares plunged 22% after the Supreme Court rejected its plea to recalculate AGR dues. Shares of Zee Entertainment fell 5.7% as Zee faces potentially crippling damage claims from Star India. The company says will strongly contest all unfounded claims by Star. FII activity was mixed during the week but witnessed a massive Rs 14,000 crores of buying on Friday. Month till date, FIIs have bought about Rs 26,000 crores of equities in cash. DII's net sold equities of about Rs 640 crores during the week. Three IPOs closed during the week. Northern Arc Capital Ltd and Arcade Developers saw oversubscription of more than 100 times. Western Carriers India issue was oversubscribed 30.6 times. 4 new companies were listed on the exchanges this week. Bajaj Housing Finance saw a bumper listing up 114% from the issue price. PN Gadgil Jewellers listed at a premium of 74% to the issue price. Cross Limiteds and Tollens Tyres Limited listed at almost the issue price. In key macroeconomic news, the US Federal Reserve lowered its key benchmark rate by 50 basis points. The Fed's dot plot indicates that it will slash rate 2 more times in 2024 and lower rates by an additional 50 basis points. Israel was allegedly behind pager and walkie-talkie explosions which targeted Hezbollah members in Lebanon. This potentially escalates the Israel-Palestine conflict and associated geopolitical risks for the markets. US Republican presidential candidate Donald Trump survived a second assassination attempt. US equity markets were boosted by the 50 basis points rate cut by the US Fed. S&P 500 reached a new record high on Thursday. The index closed higher by 1.4% for the week. Moving to bond markets, India's 10-year bond yields fell by 3 basis points this week. US 10-year bond yields rose by 7 basis points this week after having fallen sharply over the past 2 months. In this section, we discuss select research reports published by our research teams. The same can be accessed on our website. In the cement sector, overall demand remains sluggish in the September quarter and pricing is weak. However, there is hope for demand to recover from second half onwards. Ultratech's consolidated capacity should increase by 46% by 2027. We maintain a rating on Ultratech with a target price of Rs 11,260 per share. Our buy recommendation for GAIL is based on an increase in gas transmission volume, continued robust profitability in the gas trading segment, and expectation of improvement in earnings from the petchem segment. Maintain buy with a target price of Rs 260 per share. Our retail research team has published a note on Saregama. We believe the company has pivoted at the right time from a music retailer to a pure-play content company. The industry's shift towards the highly underpenetrated subscription model from ad-based model will provide additional levers for improved realization. We recommend a base case fair value of 578 per share. That is all for this week. Do refer to the detailed disclaimer on your screens. The securities discussed in the presentation were for information and educational purposes only. Thank you.